friends. Today I'm going to explain you about my Unix lab experiments. So this is my first lab experiments. Deals with the just basic commands of Unix. So here the questions what they gave is the first one is like list the contents of user home dictionary including the hidden files. So the command what we use to list the files is ls, and then slash a is all used to find the hidden files. Hidden files are represented in this using dot. So coming to the next, they asked me to find list of the content what is present in slash var directory. So same thing we use ls slash var. So we'll get the some content, something is there over here. Then coming to the third, they asked me to create two directories. How to create two directories is the command is mkdir space and the directory name. So here I'm going to create two directories. So I just created the two directories, and to create the hidden directory we use dot in front of the name whatever we are going to give. So they asked me to create some hidden file using my name. So I have given dot Saumya. So I have created this, and then coming to this they asked me to change the directory to directory 1. So basically we are in home directory. I have to change to the some directory whatever I have created. So I use cd command to change from one directory to other. So cd whatever directory name you give, go and changes over here. So next one they asked me to copy the file, some file into the some sample.txt file. That first I need to create some sample.txt file in directory. So I use touch to create that, and then I need to copy slash etc and password file to sample.txt. So I'm copy, I just need to check whether it got copied or not. So I use cat for doing that, cat.txt, and then it displays me whatever content is there inside that text file. So is it all got copied in this. Coming to the next command, they asked me to change the home directory and type password to know my user password. So I'll change, use cd command to change it, and then we use pwd command to change to know the password. Here my register login is ur14cs312. And then coming to this they asked me to create some file and then include these files in this. So I have this file with me. So I'll just show you that file contents. So we use cat for that, and then they asked me to display the research interest as grid. So I use grep command to display and grep and some string. They asked me to display the grid computing research scholars string name, and where is that string present, that file I'm going to give. So there are three files over here, so I got three columns. And then coming to the list all the students names and register numbers in the class. So here I'm going to use cut command, cut space slash yeah, and then how many columns I need to cut. So first and second columns are the names and the register numbers. I just need to display only that two, so I will give 1 and 2 and space, and then the file name txt, and then that displays me only this the names and the register numbers of this. And then coming to the next I have display the contents in the text file. We just displayed it using that. Then they asked me to move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to the directory 2. So I just need to go to the directory 2 first, directory 2, and then I need to create one file over here, .txt, okay, sorry, sample.txt I've created, and then I'm going to my directory 1 again. So let me check whether the sample file is there. Yeah, sample file is there here. Then I'm going to move it. Move sample.txt to the directory 2. So I have moved it. Then I'll just go and check it in directory 2. cd directory 2. Then I'll just give ls. I found the sample file in this. That's how you find the sample file in this. And then coming to the next thing, they just asked me to rename the file sample.txt to new.txt and check whether sample.txt file is there or not. So I have to rename it. So first let me go to the directory 1. So to rename it, first I need to create the new file touch new.txt. Then I'm going to copy the all files into the new file. So I'm going to copy .txt and to the new.txt. Okay, then I just need to display the calendar of 220. To display the calendar, I just need cal and the month number and the year whatever you want to display. So I got this. This is the December calendar of 2020. And then coming to the, they just asked me to remove the directory 1. How to remove directory 1 is like rm space slash r and the directory whatever you want to remove, directory name. You cannot remove such files. Actually I'm in directory, so I can't remove it. So now slash r directory 1. So I got it, removed it. And then I just asked me to display the text last 3 lines. So for that we use last 3 lines. For that we use tail space slash n, and then how many lines you need. So I just need last 3, so I give 3, and the text 1.txt. So I got last 3 columns whatever we have, t rows. Then coming to the next, they asked me to display today history and store it in today history.txt file. So that's we give command like history and then the file whatever you have, today today's history.txt. Yeah, let me check whether that files everything got saved in today's.txt. So I use cat here, today's.txt, sorry, today's history. Yeah, I have so many history here, and they ask me how many files are present in this. So I use ls place l and pipelining, then word count space number of lines. Sorry. So I have 82 files over here. This is how you give here. Thank you.